Hello, guys. All right, I can see my webcam. All right. So now I'm going to teach you how to, back up your, save a file of Dark Souls 1, 2, or 3, or Sekiro, or even Elden Ring. It doesn't matter. So if you are on PC, you're wondering how am I doing all my videos every single day? And that's really simple, all right? So let me explain. So you have to type percent app data percent, right? And you have to choose this folder. Yeah, okay. So this is percent app data percent. You go to roaming. You see, for example, Minecraft with all the saves that you have. All right. So here we have saves, and you have your Minecraft worlds, for example. But not only that, because you see Dark Souls 2. All right. Dark Souls 3. You can even see, for example, Elden Ring. All right, you can even see Sekiro. There we go. You see a lot of stuff. Strangely, I don't see Dark Souls 1 Remaster, which is really interesting in my opinion. But anyways, let's focus on Dark Souls 3, for example. All right. So you double click the Dark Souls 3 folder, then you go to this folder with a lot of numbers. All right, and this is your save. So you basically have to save it. So for example, you copy it and you paste it into the desktop, and you have it. All right, so this is your character. So if you want to refight a boss, so this might be useful for games that doesn't support this feature, so all from software games except made for Sekiro. You simply have to copy your backup and repaste it into the right folder. So for example, I want to, you know, percent app data percent, want to go to my backup, all right? So I don't want to see this file anymore, so I cancel it and I simply go to my real backup, all right? So this is my backup for all my videos, and I copy and paste it. That's it. Very simple. So now you simply open the game. Yeah, wrong button, but I don't see because there's my webcam. So you go to Steam, all right, or whatever, and you basically play the game, and you are done. You have the save file that you choose to save to do a backup. This should work with all games, but in particular I wanted to do this video for FromSoftware games. It's really strange that Dark Souls Remaster doesn't have it. I don't know. um I didn't try in the past, but that's it. All right, so bye bye.